Sometimes I'm very funny. So let's share this one. Okay, same thing. Okay, no, no, your turn. So only you don't need to. You try. How
Okay.
to say? Ask him to come. Ask him to come.
அவனை இங்கே வர சொல்.
Very good. Ask him not to come.
அவனை இங்கே வர சொல்லாதே.
Good. Ask her to come. Ask her to go.
அவளை ask her to go. அவளை போக சொல்.
Very good. Ask her not to go.
அவளை போக சொல்லாதே.
Okay. So next one is ask him to go.
Ask him to go. அவனை போக சொல்.
Sol. Yeah, you're right. Ask him not to go.
அவனை போக சொல்லாதே.
That's it. Okay. Ask him to come here.
அவனை இங்க வர சொல்.
Very good. Ask him not to come here.
அவனை இங்க வர சொல்லாதே.
Very good. So that's the case. So next one. So this is about Avan. Ask it to eat.
அதை சாப்பிட சொல்.
That's it. Ask it not to eat.
அதை சாப்பிட சொல்லாதே.
Very good. Your spell is very, very, very clear now. Again, same our only, with same he only. Ask him to speak.
Ask him to speak. அவரை
Yes.
பேச சொல்.
Yes, avarai. I didn't put this one. Avarai. Very good. Avarai பேச சொல். Okay. Ask him not to speak.
அவரை பேச சொல்லாதே.
Okay. So then there is coming next coming அவர்கள், they are. Ask them to sit.
அவர்கள் உட்கார் சொல்.
Okay. அவர்களை சொல். Ask them not to sit.
அவர்களை உட்கார சொல்லாதே.
Okay. Same thing. Ask them. Okay. Ask them to sit in a hall. Something I added. அவர்களை ஹாலில்.
அவர்களை ஹாலில் உட்கார சொல்.
That's it. Okay. That's it. Ask them not to sit.
அவர்களை உட்கார சொல்லாதே.
Okay. Ask them not to sit in the hall.
அவர்களை ஹாலில் உட்கார சொல்லாதே.
Very good, very good, very clear, as clear as crystal. Very good. Okay. I ask you to come.
I asked you to come. Okay. உன்னை வர சொன்னானே.
சொன்னேன். உன்னை வர சொன்னேன். உன்னை வர automatic. Okay. If some people say நான் உன்னை வர சொன்னேன், already வர சொன்னேன் means நான் is understood. Okay. I ask you to come once again.
உன்னை வர சொன்னேன்.
I ask you to come here.
உன்னை இங்கே வர சொன்னேன்.
Very good. So I ask you not to go there.
உன்னை அங்கே வர சொல்லவில்லை.
I ask you to go there. Go.
Okay. உன்னை அங்கே வர சொன்னேன்.
போக சொன்னேன்.
போக சொன்னேன்.
Okay. போக, to go. Okay. You can make it this way, this either way. So next one is உன்னை I ask you to come here. I ask you to come here once again.
Okay. உன்னை இங்கே வர சொன்னேன்.
Okay. I ask you to come to a house.
உன்னை
Let me
ஹவுஸில் ஹவுஸ் இல்ல
வீட்டுக்கு
வீட்டுக்கு
வீட்டுக்கு to the house. To the house. உன்னை வீட்டுக்கு
வீட்டுக்கு
வர சொன்னேன். Okay. Next one is உங்களை, same thing with the respect. So next one is I ask you group of people, I ask you to go office.
உங்களை ஆபீஸ் போக சொன்னேன்.
Okay.
போக
Okay. போக
சொன்னேன்.
சொன்னேன். Okay. போக சொன்னேன்.
Okay.
Office போக சொன்னேன். Otherwise you can put office or office also. Okay, fine. Okay. I ask you not to go office.
உங்களை ஆபீஸ் போக சொல்லவில்லை.
Okay.
சொல்லவில்லை. Sorry. Okay. சொல்லவில்லை.
Okay. So trust me, believe me.
Trust me. என்னை நம்பு.
Okay. Don't trust me. என்னை நம்பாதே. நம்பாதே means okay. So next one is என்னை நம்பாதே. So trust us, how will you say?
Trust us.
Yeah.
எங்களை
நம்பு. See here, everywhere I can't put it, same repeat. எங்களை நம்பு. Just take this one.
Okay.
Trust us. Don't trust us.
எங்களை நம்பாதே.
Okay. Here you can see nambade means you are telling to the one person. என்னை நம்பாதே means you are a single person. என்னை நம்பாதீங்க means you are telling with same person with respect.
Okay.
Don't believe me. Don't believe me, something like this. So here also எங்களை நம்பாதே means a group of the people telling to the one person, நம்பாதே. எங்களை நம்பாதீங்க means with the respect, or either you are telling to the group or with the single. நம்பாதீங்க. You prefer single person with respect. So this is the case. And see, based on this, some of the things here. So here how to say he looked at me. Try. I will correct if it is spelled wrong.
He looked at me. Avan.
Yes. என்னை பார்த்தான்.
Okay.
அவன் என்னை பார்த்தான். See, அவன் என்னை பார்த்தான். He looked at me. He saw me. Yeah. Okay. என்னை பார்த்தான். So same thing. நான் அவனை பார்த்தேன்.
நான் அவனை பார்த்தேன். I looked at him. Okay.
நான் அவனை பார்த்தேன். Here you can see actually என்னை I sound. N means my or mine. என்னை means it doesn't have much meaning unless it add with the verb. என்னை பார்த்தான். He looked at me. அவன் means he looked at me. நான் அவனை I looked at him. நான் அவனை பார்த்தேன். I looked at him. That's the case. Okay. Now we are using some of the nouns here. That is Raman chased Ravana. Try. I'll help you. Raman chased Ravana. Ravananai. Ravanai will not come. Ravanan full name to be mentioned. No, Ravanan. In Tamil they say, in Hindi we say Ravana, but in Tamil they say Ravanan. In for example, Gopala Krishna. Telugu they can say, but in Tamil they say Gopala Krishnan. In that shows is Tamilian. That in will expose is Tamilian basically.
Tamilian.
Okay. Raman,
Srinivasan.
yeah, Srinivasan, Goinda, Goindan, Bhaskaran, something like this. Raman, Ravananai, virat-ti-naan. That means Raman chased Ravana. It's coming under Ramayana.
Okay.
It's coming under Ramayana. So next, same thing. Virat-ti-naan means chasing. Virat means to chase.
Virat-ti-naan.
For example, virat-ti-gireen means I'm chasing. Virat-ti-gireen means chasing. एक मिनट जरा बंद करोगे थोड़ी देर के लिए. Virat-ti-gireen means chasing. Virat-ti-giro means we are chasing. Virat-ti-gireen I am chasing. Virat-ti-giro means we are chasing. Virat-ti-naan means he is chasing. Virat-ti-naan she is chasing. Virat-ti-girargal means they are chasing. All are present. Here Virat-ti-naan, Virat-ti-neen, Virat-ti-noom, Virat-ti-na. This means already chased. Okay. So that is this is one of the verb here. Next one is Lakshmanan. Lakshmana, but he said Lakshmanan. Okay. Meghanadhanai, okay, Nadanai with the noun. Lakshmanan, Meghanadhan, Meghanaturatinaan, again chasing. Lakshman chased Meghnad. Again Ramayana. So Meghanadhani, Lakshman Meghanadi Turatinan is here. Turatinan. So this is Nai Punayai Virattiadu. That means a dog chased the cat. Nai means dog. Chase the dog. Okay. Punai Palai. See, okay. Punayai Palai. Pal means milk. Punai means cat. Punai Palai Kuditadu. Punai Palai Kuditadu. Cat drank milk. So next one. Yerumai Pasuvai Mirattiadu. Yerumai Pasuvai Mirattiadu. Yerumai means buffalo. Buffalo. Mirattiadu means threaten. Sometimes ladies will say, no, boys talk like that. Maratade. Don't threaten. Threatening. Don't threaten me. Okay. Don't threaten me. Like this. So then you can in police also they complain. This man is threatening me. Ava enna Meratra. Yerumai. Sometimes people scold, the very dull student. They say buffalo. Hey, Erume, come here. Erume, come here. Something like this. So buffalo threaten the cow. Yerumai Pasuvai Mirattiadu. So this is these are the things, and someone more, not more. Ragu Ravi, see, Aditan, he hit. Ragu Ravi Aditan. Ragu hit Ravi. So Ravi Pasuvai Palai. Okay. Pal Palai. Ravi Pasu Pasuvai. Pasu means cow. Punai. Meghanadhan. So Ravananai. Okay. Avanai. Yennai. That's the case. Can you try one or two sentences? Avan.
Okay.
He looked at me. How will say?
Avan ennai paarthan.
Okay. I looked at him.
Naan avanai paarthen.
Oh, it looked like a dialogue, sir. It's like a heroine. Okay. Ramananai. Okay, now. Lakshman chased Meghnad.
Lakshmanan Meghanadhanai
Turatinan. Okay.
We cannot use virat-ti, that one, for this chased.
Virat means actually it's like a root word, no? Virat means to chase. To whom? Virat. There you need to put the tenses. Virat, for example, virat-ti-gireen. I am chasing.
And both the meanings are same. Turati-naan.
Almost, yeah. Chase almost. virat-ti-naan,
Okay,
yeah, both are same. Okay. Virat-ti-naan
okay.
means virat-ti-naan means very robustly, very fierce.
Mm-hmm.
Virat,
Okay, okay.
see, that's why you can see Nai Pune Virati. Come on, go, go, go.
Mm.
Come on, whether going or not, that is
Mm.
pakka chasing. English word, what to do? There is sometimes synonyms exactly not matching. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Virat-ti-naan means a very third-headed way, chasing, scolding, this and that, and
Mm.
going to hit him. Virati means just by the verbal.
Mm.
Come on, go, go,
Okay.
don't come.
Okay.
We did in what is in adjective வெளியே போ, remember, வெளியே போ, உள்ள வா, வெளியே போ, that is variety அது. துரத்தினார் means,
Okay.
hey, I'm going to kill you, come on, உன்னை விட மாட்டேன், something like this. That's it. That is
Okay.
it. That is the difference.
Okay.
பூனை பூனை பாலை குடித்தது. பூனை பால் drank, that's big. Raghu Raviயை அடித்தான். Some of the sentence in I, how this I, avanai, என்னை, you can use Ravananai, Meghanadai, Pasuvai, something.
Okay.
Just the case, some idea here. So this will help you. Okay.
Okay.
So மறுபடியும் நம்ம அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல பாப்பா. I'm sending both. I'm sending these things.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Even link also will get it, video link also.
Okay.
Okay, ரொம்ப நன்றி. சே, ரொம்ப நன்றி, ரொம்ப நன்றி, ரொம்ப வணக்கம். Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.